Welcome to my next video. Today I'm doing my yearly maintenance on my gasoline powered lawnmower. I have a Mower lawnmower that I bought about 10 years ago. It's a push mower with a grass catcher bag on the back, and it's powered by a Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower engine. So what I'm going to do is what I try and do every year is I clean it off and I change the oil. And this year I'm going to change my air filter and my spark plug. And you're supposed to change your air filter every year, but I've gotten by for many years without changing my filter, and it's kind of falling apart. So let's go to the next step, and we'll get the deck cleaned so we can proceed to our oil change. If you enjoy my videos, I'd appreciate a thumbs up or a subscription to my channel. And if you have any comments, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks again for watching.